Welcome, everyone, to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. June the 10th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Man, I couldn't have called it any better. Pull back, up, down. Oh, baby. Come to Papa. Euro dollar. Well, you know, this head and shoulders definitely looks a little wacky now, but still. Got up to that 40, we showed a 41.20 level. But, again, Eurozone number, horrible. French industrial production, an abomination. Down 1.4%. Revision was even lower. Euro sterling, we'll look at that in a second. That collapsed. So certainly the economic data certainly helping out the euro to the downside. Even Euro Canada a little bit on the weak side. Euro sterling definitely. But looking at this euro dollar again, you know, today was the easy day. I say the last 3 days, you know, the last 2 days were pretty easy. Tomorrow, the next 24 hours, going to be a little bit more tough. I think we go lower, but depending on how much we rally. Listen, if this market rallies, right now the time is 2:45 p.m. Eastern. Stock market's down, 10-year note 393. Dow's coming back down 73. Oil up. We'll see how that closes at the end of the day. But again, this level, if we rally a little bit more, I want to be short at 140. I think we retest 139. And then again, obviously, you know, the big level is going to be, I think, this little channel line we have here. It's not much, but, you know, this 139 level, I think if this breaks, we go right to 138.50. How much more? Obviously, 138 would be lovely. I don't know if that's going to break. Again, if 139 gives way, it's not going to be very good. Federal budget of the U.S., negative 189, higher by more than $10 billion. Just disgusting. Fed's beige book was actually pretty downbeat, in my opinion. So, you know, again, remember, it's the opposite that you think. When bad numbers come out and the U.S. situation is bad, the dollar rallies because people are less risk averse. So, again, when you look, this chart, I think we get nice follow through. Certainly taking out 139, we're going to get Momo. As far as more than that, I'm not sure. You know, that's where you guys have to come in as traders. I just think, you know, if we rally, I think if we can get short at 140, 140.20 again, be a great spot. And going down. Dollar yen, big monster comeback day today. Again, to the moon, baby. Look at that. Held 97. Oh, baby. And dollar yen looking very good to me. We tried to buy it. Didn't get down to my buy level. But dollar yen, again, holding the breakout. This 97 is huge. Dollar yen could be starting to make a major move. Over 99, dollar yen looks great. Bond yields keep going higher. It's going to attract, you know, Japanese investors. So dollar yen, BOP, baby. With the stock market down and dollar yen still up. Very impressive. I think it's more the dollar move, but even so. El Cable. Oh, my goodness. Just got to love it. Texas three-step, baby. 1, 2, 3, and reversal, right? Hammer, bullish engulfing, continuation, and reversal. Thank you very much. What happens now? Well, we need bearish engulfing. London numbers were phenomenal. I was dead wrong on that. But again, if you notice, what keeps happening, every time London comes out with a good number, sell on the news. Sell on the news, babe. So that looking more and more, sell on the news looking more and more like a strategy until it changes. You know, the good news, you got to sell it. Don't buy into this, especially if cable runs up into it. But again, beautiful looking doji. We'll see how the market closes. There's still 2 hours and 15 minutes left to go. So long way to go. You know, sometimes I like to get this out to you sooner because some of you don't really get it. It doesn't get up on the website soon enough. So I'm going to try and do them around this time of day, you know, 2:45. But, you know, sometimes a lot of things happen that changes my opinion. So anyway, looking at this number again, this chart, cable, yes, it did take out major Fibonacci levels, but this could be an awesome double top. Look at that double top. Bang. Zoom, collapse. Now 155 is certainly in the sights if we should roll back over. But to me, cable, nice doji, nice shooting star. I am looking to be short. But again, hopefully I get a double top. You know, hopefully get a double top. Euro sterling, take a look. New Zealand, by the way, not supposed to cut rates tonight. That should be very active. The Kiwi, I think it's a sell on the news event. Should the Kiwi be higher? We'll look at that in a second. Euro sterling took out previous day lows. Looks like death. Again, this whole 85.50 level, very big. But break it out to break it down. This euro sterling with the economic numbers better in London, worse in the Eurozone. Trichet's a freaking moron for not cutting rates or doing more quantitative easing. Dollar Canada, phenomenal day today in the loonie. Oh, phenomenal. We're able to short it higher, cover it lower, get long, and, I mean, man, short, long. Now short again, maybe. Trade balance was a little weaker there. But U.S. trade balance was a little bit weaker. That really threw me for a loop, I must say. I thought the U.S. trade balance was going to be better, as you know. And it was not. So that sort of scared me a little bit out. It gave us an opportunity to get short, actually. We had a little rally. Dollar sold off a little bit. We were able to get shorty. Euro, yen. Doesn't look like a failure to me. Looks like a nice failure to me. Impressive, though, the stock market being down, and this sucker is still up. So, again, this 135 level, very key to me. I think it's a nice reversal day today. Looks weaker, but obviously we need bearish engulfing. We need to go under 36.50. 36.50, and we go lower. Sterling yen. And remember, people, if you are looking to sign up for my premium service, my summer special, unfortunately, what can I say? My nephew's a putz. But go to the premium service section of Global FX Radio, and you'll be able to get it there. Sterling yen, TTMA, to the moon, Alice. I mean, I couldn't have had a better entry. It's rare that it happens, but boy, did we get that little pullback. You won't believe what my buy was. 58.50. So that was pretty good. Euro yen also, the buy was perfect to the pip. Believe me, I'm not touting my horn on my entries. My entries suck sometimes. Half the time my entries, one, we didn't even get there. You kidding? Cable didn't even pull back for us to buy. But hopefully, again, you listen to my bias, my premium people. Again, they knew my bias was up, and so a lot of them, they got on before my entry even kicked in. So, I mean, listen, if my entry's 20 pips away and my premium people buy, well, you know, if we end up getting initiated, you're basically going to you lose 20 more pips if I'm wrong. So a lot of times, listen, to have perfect entries, that's tough. Anyway, if we close here, it's a closing high, very bullish. Dollar yen looking strong. Sterling looking strong. Sterling yen, again, I see nice channel line resistance now. I wouldn't be surprised this makes a new high. Channel line resistance right around 160, 150. Today's highs looking at 160, 135. So sterling yen, again, to me, looking like it's going higher. I'd rather be short euro yen. Euro yen, even Euro Canada failed today. Came back a little bit nicely, but again, failure. This Euro Canada looks terrible. The euro, just short across the board. Euro Aussie. Let's look at that, baby. I know I don't do these much, but have a little time. Look at this Euro Aussie. Look at this move in this Euro Aussie. Big move down. This sucker's going back to 160. Gotta love the Aussie against everyone. Looney yen. For you Looney Land people over there, I know you're listening. I love it. This is for you people. Can't break out. You know, it's trying to. You know, listen, a lot of these charts broke out and they failed today. So, and again, I was hoping the stock market with the futures up that much in the morning. They were up like 13 handles. I was hoping we were going to be up that 30 handle move up 250 in the Dow like I've been predicting, and then bang, sell off. But it didn't happen. Sold right off. So the fact that we made new highs and we failed in a lot of these currencies, in the euro yen, not sterling yen, but we'll see where it closes, in Luna yen, even Aussie yen. Take a look at Aussie yen. Big failure there too. Tried to break out and back into the fold. So this is making me a little nervous, and I'm probably going to want to be short the carry trade. Remember, it is Wednesday, and that's a perfect setup with the stock market down and these things are up. Triple roll, baby. Sell everything after 5 o'clock. Carry trade, and you buy the dollar and you buy the yen. And if you have any questions about triple roll or going premium, feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. But again, my prediction for tonight, let's look at that dollar index. Dollar gets stronger and the yen gets stronger. How it closes, that's anyone's guess. You know, how we close the day, I have no idea. But the bottom line looks to me, dollar strength, yen strength, and then maybe a reversal in the U.S. session on the U.S. news. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money, baby.